Hello! In this video I unbox Canon MAXIFY GX series multifunctional business printer and show the following. For a detailed product review, check the video in the upper right corner. Here are the 2025 GX series models. In different regions or countries, they have different names as I display from the online manuals. There are the following differences between the two multifunctional models, and in this video I use GX6140 model. First I show product box. The GX7100 model box is bigger, as product dimensions are bigger because the device has additional paper cassette. For both models, here are the product dimensions with trays retracted and when trays are extended. Let's see what is in the box after unboxing. There is printer, ink bottles, power cable and hard copy documents and installation DVD. During unboxing I share additional information about some of these items. In the next minute you can watch step-by-step unboxing. On the setup leaflet you can scan the QR code to get online instructions. I cover full setup in the next video in the upper right corner. During initial setup some ink is consumed to fill up the ink system, but that you will not notice, as this printer has big capacity ink bottles out of the box. The setup software is available from web page. Some safety instructions. This is Pixma Media leaflet. Here is compatible photo paper, but borderless print is not supported. App information is outdated. Here I put the latest two icons of the Canon printing apps on the screen. In the warranty card you find printhead 80,000 pages warranty. Maintenance is similar to predecessor model. Find more detailed information in the video in the upper right corner. Poster Artist is web-based software to create different printable content for your business or private needs, and you log in using Canon ID. Here is European warranty card, and finally the last one is about printer transportation, which I covered in the maintenance video, and fax, which is only supported in GX6100. If you are interested in MAXIFY GX fax, check my video covering fax functionality. Let's find more what is in the box. The printer is sustainably packed with molded paper. Waste after unboxing is only paper, which is easier to recycle than styrofoam plastic. Finally, here is full set of ink bottles. So, my unboxing has been finished, and that would be all in this video. After setting up the MAXIFY GX, do not miss another useful video, which covers additional business functionality of this series, to get more out of this device for professional use. Find link to my playlist of MAXIFY GX series in the description. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like or subscribe, as it helps me to grow the channel and create more content. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!